I don't know. Should I put it like rock it like had a hood like this, come through looking like the prophet? No. This is the JP guy T. I was trying to get this. If y'all got things like analog pocket A20, these little Android things, they give me the worst. Well, anyway, went out and got an office slash she shed how you she shed slash YouTube studio, and I'm going to show you everything that I set up in there, how it's looking. I'm going to be doing some videos from there from this point forward, and I'm doing videos here. I got kind of zoomed out. This is my 30 mil. I'm going to show you some of that. I'm going to explain what's in there, and then we're just going to kind of do a whole panoramic view of what's going on in there. This all that you see was not how it started. There was no walls. The floor was just plain plywood, and the building was just hollowed out. It was an aluminum building, and it came with about 2 outlets. And what we did was took the outlets and added more outlets. We added a ceiling fan, put walls up, put floors down, painted, and then we just converted this into an office. There is a whole nother side over there that's of my wife's stuff. I'm going to show that in a separate video, but I just wanted y'all to see and give y'all an idea of what y'all can do with the office, or what y'all can do with a building, how you can just convert it and make it to your liking. It took a lot of work to get this done, but it was well worth it at the end, because the biggest thing about that is we now have space that we can do what we need to do. As far as my wife has space to get her taxes done in her business, I have space for my business, and now I have a separate studio just for YouTube. So now I don't have to get to the point where I have to wait till everybody's quiet or wait till everybody's gone, and I can just make videos when I get ready. Okay, let's start from the monitor. This is a 34-inch Samsung. It's got a long name, so I'll just put that down there. It's also, everything is going to be in the description at the bottom of the links if you want to purchase any of these items. I have a light bar on top of it. Light bar is used, to light up the desk. I also have a desk pad, and then the desk pad's from Rocat. I think it's 35 inches, but I'm just using, far as my keyboard and mouse, I'm using the regular Magic Mouse, and I'm actually using the Logitech MX Master keyboard. I have 2 of these, and this is the one I have for this studio. On my previous video, you seen one for the other studio. Matter of fact, I swapped them over, and I brought this one here. I know you see this iPhone turned sideways. I'm actually doubling it as a stream deck. That's what I'm using the iPhone for, so I can switch through different scenes when I'm live streaming. I have an OKX that I'm using as my hub. This connects everything to my MacBook, and the MacBook Pro, which I'm using the MacBook Pro 13-inch M1, everything is going to that via one USB-C cable. I love that. I got a little clock on the side. It's a wood clock and all digital. What I was going to do with that clock, I thought it was supposed to actually charge my phone, but it doesn't. So on my desk to the left, my dresser, this little drawer I have, this wannabe Alex drawer, I have a charging stand on that. And also in that Alex drawer, I keep my Xbox gamepad. I keep all the different tools that I need when I'm building the PC. If you look to the left of that, there's a big file cabinet I have there, and in that file cabinet has all my equipment for my studio, camera gear. I have tripods, I have cables on top of cables, I have other computers in there. So this is like storage for everything that I need to store. This that you hear me talking on, this is a Rode Pod mic, and I'm just on a regular boom arm. I think it's Gear, something I got from Amazon. And what I actually did, since I have a sit-stand desk, I mounted my Scarlett 2i2, the audio interface. I mounted it under the desk, and I got that right next to the controls for the sit-stand desk to go up and down. And by the way, the sit-stand desk is by Rad Love. What else is in this studio that we have? And I think that's about it. So thanks for watching. This was our office. This was actually 12 by 30 building, and we converted it into an office. This is JP to IT. Thanks for watching my desk setup. More to come. See ya. I'm gone.